So actually, we are very proud about our BMW i brand because we see a huge improvement in the sales worldwide. Maybe as you know, we sold more than 100,000 electrified cars last year, and this year we will sell around 140,000. And now brand new with our i3 with the new battery, we just did a big step for our customers because we increased range by more than 30%. So this is the next step. And if you look for the next terms in the future, there will be huge steps from then on, because from 2021 on you will see our next generation of the modular system for our powertrain. So we will increase range, we will increase power, we will increase acceleration. And from then on, electromobility will the new normal at BMW, and you will have electrified cars in almost every BMW if you will have it as a customer.